How to change or delete your information from Chat with AI from Meta. Here's how. First, open any Meta app on your device. Next, click on the messenger icon at the top right. Here, if you want to edit any personal details you shared, just press and hold the message you wish to edit and select reply. Now send a follow-up message correcting the information you shared and hit the send button. Furthermore, to delete a specific message, again press and hold the message you want to remove. Then select delete for you. This will erase the message from your chat. However, if you want to clear the entire conversation, just go back and tap and hold the conversation. Here, look for the delete option and click on it. Lastly, confirm the action to remove all the messages from your device. And that's it. I hope this video helped.